Hello and welcome back to Family Investment. My name is Alex Kerr. While my kids are all ice skating in a free ice rink near the playground, coincidentally, today I want to sit here and share with you about security. How important security is for your investment, for your accounts and your broker, because it could make or break your hard-earned savings. Alright guys, what do you think? Do you think it'll be ice or not?
No.
No? Okay, we're in school just now. Apparently, someone on Facebook posted that there's a puddle of ice that can turn into ice rink, so we're going to check it out. Have you got your skates, guys? What is it? Can you see anything? Oh gosh, it's an ice rink. Don't go there first. Let's change here. It's a proper ice rink, guys. Whoa, no, wait. Put your skates on. No, you're going to fall.
No, it's not that.
It's a proper... Okay, let's just change here. I told you.
Oh, Dad, you know how to put
I know you know how to put them on. Don't chop me in half with this blade. Wait. Is it not loose enough?
What's his skate?
Oh my goodness, he's skating.
He's skating better than that ice rink.
So in this video, there's a few important key things that you can do today on how to improve your security or tighten up that lock so that nobody can come and breach in. So I'm going to give you a few key steps. The first one is to change your PIN or your password on your phone. As parents like me, my kids also knows my PIN number before they know. You know, they could easily go to school and tell their friends, or if you lose your phone, somebody will bound, or there's likelihood that somebody will get access to your PIN number. And once they get access to your PIN without any security or your thumbnail or your thumbprint, they can get access to your accounts, to your broker account, and see what you have and perhaps transfer money out. It's not easy, but remember, those smart people that steals access are way smarter than us. They know the security system around it even way better than us. So number one is to change your PIN number to something that you know and not your kids. And the second one is to use two-step authentication. Many brokers nowadays, most of the key brokers will use two-step authentication. The one that I really like is to make sure that you use the Google Authenticator. So when you log in, you got your username, you got your password. And thirdly is that special authentication by Google. So when you log in on a different access account or every 1 month it resets, you have to put that special 6-key authenticator that's randomly generated every 30 seconds or 45 seconds. That's really good, because if someone elsewhere were trying to access your account and he inserts a wrong authenticator, you get notified via phone or text just to make sure that it's absolutely you that's actually accessing that account. It's your mobile phone number. You don't realize that we have been using our mobile phone number for years. You know, we've kept the same number because we want to be useful, that everybody finds us easily. But the problem is more and more people know your phone number. More and more people can get access to your phone number. So your phone number is important because it's the last line of security access. So let's say your bank wants to reset a password or a PIN. The last thing they will do is to send access code to your mobile phone. And if you don't have access to your mobile phone, then you lose it all. Because there's a lot of theft called the SIM card theft, where anybody can call up an operator, get your PAC number, PAC or PAQ in the UK, and they can transfer the number from your SIM to a different SIM and get access to everything you have. Okay, let's continue. Email address. Make sure you... hey, stop following on purpose, guys. Next one, number 4, is to change your email address password regularly. Why? Because your email address is basically your username to your Robinhood account, your username to your Trading212, your username to your banking, password reset and everything. If you lose access to your email address, you just basically lost everything, because you got everything hidden in there in your history. It's not your kids. Oh, are you okay? Something that you don't know, not your kid's name, your date of birth, or anything that you remember, not your phone number. Change it to something that dramatically is nothing related to you, and that makes it even harder to hack. Whoa, look at that. You enjoy that? Yeah.
This place is too lumpy. I can't go faster.
Too lumpy. Okay, somebody has to come and sort this out then. Okay, now for the next tip, number 5, which is a personal one, and it's personal experience one, is only log on your personal mobile phone with a PIN that you only know, or your personal laptop with a login that you only know. I don't put any of my broker account or my bank login on my iPad or any other external device, or try to log in on someone else's device. Why? Because things like the iPad is easily accessible to like the likes of your kids. They know your PIN, they can get in there. And they might be a birthday party, or it might be a schoolwork, they bring it to school. And then they might lose it and somebody might have access to it. So if you want to log into any of those devices, make sure it's only your mobile phone that you know that if you lose it, you can easily erase everything. And your laptop, which is less likely to use because it's most likely in the home or you traveling in your car. And if you do lose it, you know, they need access to your password and using it. Okay, tip number 6 is regarding your browser. I know many people use like the likes of Google Chrome or Firefox or Safari on your personal computer. And when you go in, you can actually log into your Google Chrome via your Gmail password. And when you log on, you can actually transfer all your password across. And just be careful when you go into your work's PC or somebody else's PC and you log in through a Gmail, and remember to log out. Or in fact, do not even use the password filler, because when you leave the PC or leave the computer, all your password gets stuck in there still. Like for example, in my own personal case, then when I left my company, I gave back the laptop, and then the administrator logged in. He still had access to my Google Chrome with all the password in there. I was so panicking and I had to delete everything. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the content I produced today. I'm going to join my kids to the ice skating routine now. And please do like and subscribe on my channel. Anything else you guys want to say?
Bye-bye.
Is that all? Say bye-bye.
Skate.
You're going to go back and skate, okay? So, okay, bye-bye. Thank you.